close. Ayoko na yan. Oh my God! Ano to? Okay, open my eyes na.
Lorraine from C.
To Karen from R. To Rama from K. To Julia from A. Who's A?
Hello PBL, Merry Christmas! And since Christmas season na naman,
Ngayon, malalaman natin kung sino mabubunod ko.
Merry Christmas, PBL. Let's see who I will get for our PBL experience.
Merry Christmas, PBL! Tignan natin kung sino mabubunod ko sa... Are you ready? I'm ready.
wow! Julia! Ano kaya ibibigay ko sa kanya? Abangan niyo na lang.
Hey! Oh my God, Karen! Ano kayang mabibigay kong gift sa'yo? Surprise!
Roma! What should I get her, guys?
Thea! Ano kaya ibibigay ko? Abangan!
Oh my God! It's Miss Lorraine from Socomucho. Ano ba yung gift?
Abangan.
Sapatos? Sirain ko na nga. Surprise. Kayo muna unang titingin. Ay! Kanino po ito galing? Thank you po. Dear Lorraine, sana okay lang sa'yo na ako nag-uwi sa'yo. Char. Well, first of all, congrats again on your new team and welcome to PBL. I heard you're doing good sa team mo. Kwento ko lang din why ito yung naisip ko ibigay sa'yo. I remember nung papasok ako before sa semi-pro, my SNC coach gifted me this. Wow! Sisipagin na ako magbuhat. And sabi niya, gagamitin ko daw yan ng mabuti. Kakailanganin ko siya in my career ko. And I will do and say the same sa'yo. Wow! Thank you, ate. Tama na nga. Dami ko na sinasabi. I hope magustuhan mo and gamitin mo sa bawat bangkang pro valuable journey mo. See you at the other side of court. Merry Christmas. Ate said, thank you, ate.
Hi, Rama. Merry Christmas. I'm glad you this overseas because you, as a libero, you're always supporting me to do things steady on the court, just like this fight. It's reliable, comfortable, and you're always ready to step up. I hope you enjoy your career. Thanks, ate.
Siwa Bar. May kailangan ka pa sa game. Thank you so much po. Hi, Monita, Thea. Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy the holidays with your family and loved ones. This gift is to remind you to take care of your body because our body is an investment. You have a long, long career ahead of you. And I know you know that as an elite athlete, we have to sacrifice a lot and discipline ourselves to hit our goals. I'm very grateful for the chance to play with you in Alas. I'm proud of you and who you've become. I'll always be here for you and see you on the court. With love, Ate Dawn! Oh my God!
Ito ba to? Wait! Hi, Karen. Be unstoppable, ate. Hi, Julia. I just want to welcome you once again to the professional league. I hope you're having an amazing time and enjoying this exciting new chapter. I also hope you find my gift useful. It's a little something to remind you just how instrumental your hands are to your success and craft. Best of luck with everything. Take care and I look forward to seeing you. Hi, Ate Lai. Thank you so much for your gift. It's very useful and I'm hoping to see you around. Ate, Merry Christmas and hopefully maging masaya mo ngayong Christmas and thank you us, hindi lang ako. Madami ka pa pong na-inspire and happy holidays. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I really appreciate it, Ate Kiana. Thank you so much. And I'm really inspired by you. And good luck. And I hope naka-recover ka na. You can do it.
Hi, Ate Dawn. Thank you po sa Christmas gift. Na-appreciate ko po so much. And I just wish you all the best this coming Christmas. Sana makasama mo nandun po yung loved ones mo. And sana maging healthy ka lang po sa buong career. Thank you po.
Hindi ko ina-expect po na makakatanggap ako ng galing kay Ate Sel. Thank you so much, Sel. Sana maging kasing lakas mo ako po. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
For more videos like this, like and subscribe to the PBL YouTube channel. This is PBL, the heart of Content.
Merry Christmas, PBL!